video. It's going to be a haul video around what I recently purchased from B&Q. So I got this broom, I had a voucher, and I bought a lot of clean products at B&Q. I got a jumbo sponge and another jumbo sponge, because I think they look quite effective and you can clean properly with them. I got some washing up liquid white elbow grease, and I also got some pink grapefruit hand wash. Can you see that? Pink grapefruit hand wash. And some elbow grease, all-purpose degreaser for the oven top. Fabrics, metals and plastics. Removes grease from fabrics, bathroom, vehicles, outdoors, fabrics and the kitchen. And I don't know why this is there, because I didn't buy this at B&Q, this I had before. And I've just slammed a basket in. Oh, it's fine. Not to worry. And then we have a elbow grease foaming toilet cleaner, which you shake powder directly into the water in the toilet bowl. That's elbow grease. We've got a Glade up to 2 months fragrance. I don't know what I've got. This is just not really going very well at all, is it? Something's just come off that. I don't know how that works. But anyway, Glade, 2 months of fragrance there. Kitchen drain and plug unblocker solution here. I think you just pull that down the drain, and we got some Carpet Fresh fine foam for the carpets. Shake cam well. So you just apply the foam over the carpet. You don't think you even need to hoover it up. So that's that. From 1001, another Glade Relaxing Zen air freshener, and some White Spirit, which cleans brushes and paint spills. It's very powerful cleaner there. And we've got some 1001 mousse for carpet and upholstery cleaner, which attacks dry spills and stains and is gentle on delicate carpets. Again, didn't buy this all-purpose floor cleaner and it's finished, so I don't know why I put it there for the video. And then we've got this Oven Pride cleaner, this oven cleaner. It looks quite sort of advanced, but that is Oven Pride for deep cleaning the oven, which I'm hoping will be done tomorrow. It would be great if this box wouldn't completely fall apart, but it is. Is this still recording? Let's look. Oh, wonderful it is. Wonderful. Okay. So, what else have we got here? We've got some Febreze fabric refresher for refreshing the sofas when we eventually get them. Some Method multi-purpose cleaner, just disinfectant for things like you just twist the nozzle and then you just disinfect the oven like so, by Method. We've got a toilet thing you put on the edge of the toilet. In fact, I've already got one on, but that'll be for in the next couple of months. And then some sugar soap, which I had a good blitz with already, so that's nearly finished. And we got this Domestos Power Foam, which I think wasn't from B&Q, but anyway, we have that too. These Lenore scent boosters. Uh oh, they've gone everywhere. Gosh, I'm so clumsy. So yeah, they're like little crystals that you put in your washing and then you take it out and it smells pucker. We've got a Febreze bathroom air freshener, very simple and easy to use. And pure white vinegar or cleaning, laundry and descaling. You spray it directly on the surface to be cleaned and you wipe off with a cloth. So you just literally turn the nozzle and go like so. And then it's just another type of cleaning product which I thought would be quite useful. And then we have got Flash Power Spray Mop to put in my power spray mop. This is something I actually ordered on Amazon. It's like a one-man and woman pasta bake dish, because I'm hoping to make a pasta bake, which literally it's for one person, which I think is so cute. Pyrex, made by Tefal, I think. 27 by 17 centimetres. So there's no excuse for not making my pasta bake, because this is not a big dish. It's not going to take me very long at all. And then I just went for some blue roll, just because it reminds me of when I used to work in hospitality. Those lovely restaurants. We've got ourselves some blue roll. Then some thick bleach, which I think is not from B&Q, but we have that. And then some toilet roll. So believe it or not, all of this stuff here is actually worth over £100 of cleaning products from B&Q. I had a voucher when I moved in and I just thought, let's spend it all on cleaning products. I want to spend the last 50 on a drill and I have 2 days left to spend the voucher to buy the drill. I've got £50 still left on the voucher. And then the first 50 I spent on white paint, just to paint the flat and make it look clean. So yeah, but oh, and then just to finish, I thought I could unwrap these. This is a wallpaper. This is wallpaper which I'm hoping to actually potentially use this Saturday, because I'm actually going to be working as a self-employed market stand trader at a church called St Matthew's Church in LS11 in Leeds, and I'm going to be selling cakes which I'm going to bake on camera in the next couple of days. So ideally I'd have like a stand and I'd be able to put this wallpaper up, but if not I'll just put it in my flat. But it's basically got like loads of different types of copies in it. It's quite a long stretch of wallpaper, so I might put it in here actually. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but it's got different types of coffee on it, which is super cool, and I got it reduced. So I'm really looking forward to putting that up ASAP. And last but not least, this is going to definitely be some wallpaper for my son's room, which I'm currently decorating as we speak. So basically it is a series of cartoon characters. So just like this. Bam, boom, borg. It's very bright, it's B&Q, so it's good quality. And that's going to be for my son's bedroom, so super exciting, doing some actual decorating. And yeah, really exciting stuff happening. So watch this space, and I hope you've enjoyed my B&Q cleaning and decorating haul, brought to you on Wednesday for the something of November by Lydia, yours truly. And this is one of the products that we have purchased, which I'm rather proud of, if I do say so myself. So thank you for watching. I'm now going to proceed to eat something because I'm starving. I've been to the gym today. I hope you